Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to start with a new plugin which is called Charts and Graphs plugin. So in Charts and Graphs plugin, you can create up to 25 charts. So these are all the list of the charts mentioned here. So all of them are elements. So you can directly go to design and add all the elements here. These are all the charts. First, we'll start with line chart. So if we come to here, this is element called line or bar or area chart. So this element has three types of charts. First is line, then the bar and area. So we have added that element here. So this element in the appearance section, this has various settings. So for chart, it has a title. So I have given line chart. So first we'll start with the line chart. Now this is the type of charts. This is a drop down where there are three types of charts. So first we'll start with line. Now comes the bar chart options. So this is only applicable for bar charts. So we are going to ignore this for now. Now comes the line or area chart. So there is a similarity in line and area chart. Now I'll explain you the line chart. So this is the stroke. Stroke has three values: smooth, straight, and step line. To understand that, we'll go to the demo page. This is the line chart where there are two series 1 and 2. Series 1 is in blue color, series 2 is in black color, and these are all aligned by the y-axis, and in x-axis there are 5 values. Based on the year that we have given here, those data are aligned. So in order to understand the stroke, so first this is smooth. So if you can see that the line is smooth. So if we come to straight, now we will see a difference in the line. Now you can see they are straight. There is no curves in the line. Now the third value is step line. So if we go to the demo page again, you can see the line will be in a step order. This is the step line. Now we'll come to the smooth again. So this is the line width. So if we change it to 5, no, sorry, this is 25. So if we come to 5, you can see the line width will increase. Line is very broad now. Then comes the x-axis settings. So x-axis settings is this part of the chart. First comes the title, which is x-axis title. You can see it here. Then comes the minimum value of x-axis, which is 0, and maximum x-axis is blank. So in order to use this, first you have to come to X labels. If you have given X labels, you don't have to give the values of minimum and maximum X value, X axis. So in X labels, there are 5 values, 2019 to 2023. You can see that here. Then comes the X axis ticks. So if we click on the ticks, you will be able to see a tick in the X axis. You can see it's in grayish color. Those are the ticks. So ticks are on the labels. So if we uncheck this, that will disappear. Now comes the y-axis settings. Y-axis settings is this part of the chart. So first is the y title, which is y-axis title, then the data. So these are the data through which these lines are aligned on the y-axis. We'll change the line width in order to see it clearly. So after the y series data, then comes the series name. So in order to use two set of values, you have to give the series here, series 1 and series 2. Based on that, you have to give the values here. Series 1 is in this blue color. So this is the minimum value as 0, then the maximum y-axis is 50. So based on that, the y-axis is aligned. So now comes the y-axis ticks. I have shown you the ticks in x-axis. So similarly, that is also will be shown. Then comes the color properties. So if you can see here, the series 1 is blue and series 2 is black. So those colors are coming from the color properties. So you can choose color from this picker here and you can give that color here in the graph color array. So based on the series arrangement that you have given here and the values, you have to give the color as well. So first is the blue, second is the black. Then comes the fill type. So fill type is solid. You can give us gradient or pattern or any way you want. Then comes the grid fill color. So grid fill color, if you come here, you can click on any of them and you can disappear them. So now you can see that this is the grid with the lines. So this is the grid fill color which is transparent. You can see that there is transparent. Then the border color is gray that you can see here. Then the x-axis and y-axis color which is black on both sides. Then the advanced customization. So here you can customize the chart. So first the opacity, you can give the opacity of the chart. Then the data labels. So if we click on this and if we refresh, you can see that the data will be shown on the circles on the line. So you can see that the circles have been covered by data labels. So these are the data based on the y-axis here. So these are the data labels. Then comes the toolbar. So if we check the toolbar, there will be a toolbar here with all the settings for the chart where you can zoom in, then zoom out. If you can zoom in, you can click on this hand icon to move around like this. Then comes the home. If you click on it, everything will be back on the as it was normal. Then if you click on this menu, you can download the chart. So that's the toolbar. Then comes the marker size. So if you come here, this is the marker where the size is by default 5. Then comes the animation. You can give that animation speed as well. Then comes the dynamic step size. You can ignore this for now. So this is how you create a line chart in Bubble. Thank you.